Christmas, mamas. 1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas and welcome back to V-La-Nessa.
Alright guys, so you all know it's Christmas, and remember the reason for the season is not gifts. So then I get that tonight.
Alright.
Yeah. So remember, Sir Christ is the reason for the season. And if you don't go to church this morning, just go on ahead and say, yo, alright, thank you God for born. And we don't say no born on Christmas Day, but we just God saying born. You understand? Alright? Yeah. So anyway, we did a pixie. But before we get into that, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. So when we release a new video, when I release a new video, you will be the first to know.
You'll be
the first to know. Okay? So we did a pixie, right? And there was supposed to be 6 of us, but 2 forfeit. Alright?
You never have it.
Anyhow, we did it anyway. And there's 4 of us, and there's gift underneath the tree. And not all of the gift are free, everybody right there, so you understand? So before we go into the share enough gift, we want to see if they figure out who have them. Alright? So Martina, who you think have you? Martina? Who you think have you?
Araldan.
So who you think had you at first?
Jardine.
Yeah, Jardine had you at first. Who you think have you? At first, remember she don't know who have her now, you know, say. At first? Okay. And who you think have you now? Roland? Well, there's so much gift you have, baby. Who you think have you? I don't know who they have it, because Rihanna said she didn't have me and Roland said she didn't have me. So if they never come, they get 2 gifts and that would have you understand? And then one somebody wouldn't get no gift.
I know who did have I know who Rihanna did have her dress and Rihanna did have me.
So why you say she have me and then okay, so you didn't have me?
Yes.
Alright, so now who have you?
Me? Roland.
Who have you? Roland have you? Alright, so I'm gonna give one gift. I give Roland the gift and then give the person who you have. Alright?
Look,
Here, give the person who you did have.
Thank you.
Nobody that have you. You don't get no gift. Because I'm here, Martina.
that is a lie.
I'm speaking by you. Look how much she get.
Thank you.
Is that fine? Alright, so when you can't take up any gift from the person. She thinks.
She knows next one. Thank you.
Oh my god. Alright, I joke. Look at her face. See here, I mean,
She don't cry, really?
Look here. Oh my god, look that.
Yo, she have more. Yo.
Alright, so we'll pull it and then you give the reaction.
She don't go ball, you know. I need a ball for her to do.
No.
Alright.
Wait. Will I pull it?
Let me pull my own first. Who buy me? You?
Yeah.
I'm happy for it.
It's just anxious. I can't wait. You know what? Look for the box. Then me and cake. Then you have cake out the box and put me gift in the box. What? Look.
Who for this? Who for this?
Pink.
Not my favorite color though.
What is?
Guess what? Guess brand.
I got a brown watch for What?
A pink you like? You like it?
Thank you.
Yo, I'm ready to. Man, still.
If it can't fit you.
R.
Traffic, man.
It look good.
Oh, the next one there. You don't want to get that first?
I can already see this.
Take time.
Send it! Jesus!
Chubby can't do it.
You know, we didn't know when we didn't go buy it. We didn't go buy it. But it's like a cue, you can put it on your back.
Oh, Kieran. Me not talking about. Now buy one just see.
This is so stupid.
Really,
R.
really. Can't really watch.
You know how much me pay for it? Pay for the 750 and $1,000 fee.
That means that she still owe you. She still owe your children now.
I'm gonna give Venessa.
Update. Watch.
Venessa, open your gift. Open your gift.
Buddy.
Open your gift now. Who wants it too?
You don't know?
No, I don't know, man.
It's nice. It's candles.
I think me did broke it last night at KFC.
Nice. The wine glass.
What? Shut, man.
Man, how much I broke it last?
How much did I sell this for? $1,050. $1,050 fee, give her $50 for Rappi.
We get a dolly, guys. We get a
Not
dolly.
even seen.
Now, I need my bag.
Who your next gift?
A candle for real? And a
Yeah.
candle, a
A
candle
candle.
decoration.
No, a
A
candle.
decoration.
Hey,
And a
oh.
candle to be light.
The man tell him say
The man say a candle. Ask him one, he says candle.
And a candle. Because
See,
you
you can
they
light.
cannot light. You can light it, but you're not supposed to because that would have catch a fire. Plus, it's too soft, squishy if you can. Plus, the wick not gone all the way down. You realize? So
Hey.
it's figurine.
Just.
Hey, me I go up with that Monday.
Yeah, I got a. Sorry.
What gift? You must say one more gift.
You start to
So why you put me that inside? You never broke him?
Because we never want you to see. You like this?
Yes.
Everybody like them gifts?
Just say
No,
I'm
me not
gonna-
that last gift.
Look at this. This should have been Rihanna's. What you can do, take off the R and wear it, see how you go. Take off the R and wear it, see how you
Which eyes? Clark, you're free.
Alright, they for me. Leave a pee.
You know? Yes. And you can play radio and show.
Hey!
I'm done. See, I don't know. I can't play music now.
Alright, so the vlog not done yet. This is just another morning. So everybody happy with them gift.
Oh, what give them here?
People.
Rather. Everybody
What
happy
gifts
with
still
it.
on that tree?
Yeah, so no more than the for you. So
See
we
you
catch you in the
next
next clip. Alright guys, so you saw where we just opened the gift. I only opened the Pixie gift because, you know, everybody was okay with getting it out there on the internet. The next gift, you know, sentimental and all those stuff. So it don't make no sense we even share those. But the clip after this though, I was super busy in the kitchen. I didn't have time to vlog, and I really want to vlog, but I don't know how them do it, you know. I don't know how these YouTubers do it. I guess I need like to hire someone, and I'm not at that place right now. But Martina is gonna take over the vlog, and she did her best. So guys, please just comment down below and let her know that she did good, you know. And it's not 100% up there, but as you can see a little bit of what we did. We didn't get everything because I didn't even post what we ate, but let me tell you what I put though. Roast fish, not me alone. I had help, and I went to church in the morning, so someone had pre-prep season and everything, so I went ahead and finish it. So we did the rice, gungo piece, about 10 pound of rice because I want to people eat, steamed fish stuffed with callaloo, and pork, cocktail, baked chicken, mutton, and we did sides. I did fruit salad, regular salad as in vegetables and lettuce and cucumber, and potato salad, and a lot of salad with walipa rum, walipa fruit juice. Yeah, so we had a lot. I didn't really eat over there. I brought my food over here and I just eat half of it because I don't know. For some reason, I just don't feel like eating a lot. I guess because I want to lose some weight because a girl put on about 20 pounds and that ain't cute, you know. So my mind is just telling me not to eat so much. So I actually saved so much of food for Sunday today. Yeah. So yeah, so just watch the video. She did that. She did that. She tried her thing. Tried her too. Yeah, she tried. And Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you. And may 2021, 2022 be even better. You know, double favor, double blessing, double anointing, double, double everything. You know, two, triple twos. Yeah, so let's watch our vlog and just tell me how she do. Yeah, tell me how she do.
The vlog is on back. We're cooking, we're doing Christmas dinner. I'm gonna start cooking the fruits for the sugar thing that was on TikTok.
TikTok.
I think you never see this on TikTok? Well, it was on TikTok. It needs to be down more. So yeah, guys. And over here you have the steam.
Hi, how you doing?
And the music is playing, guys. Music's gonna play over this because I don't want it to be copyright. Rain is falling, and out here you have the domino table. We'll play domino. And here's me. You want to see this in your vlog, you know?
Look what it's up.
You don't feel this thick enough? But me making. So guys, these are the pines and the grapes.
In that bigger boat. Either one there. Can wash it.
I'm gonna try the cinnamon for the first time, but I'm gonna try it with apple. With apple. Oh my gosh. I'm afraid to do it, Vanessa.
You put too much cinnamon on it.
Alright, so guys.
Cornstarch, right? Cornstarch, honey.
No, but you taste it. Taste good with it. Guys, it tastes good. Guys, I'm back and we're gonna put cornstarch in the sugar because we want it to be. Oh, we want it to hurry up. We want it to get thicker, and it's not getting thick enough. You put it back in our fridge? What are you doing?
I'm eating a piece of Christmas cake. It's so delicious and nice.
As I food it's just pork.
Shower.
9 adults and 2 kids.
So you know, call yourself
2 kids.
so I'm taking him not in there.
Oh, 1 3. 3 kids.
So I'm going inside.
Outside. Oh, so that's at 8. And that's already 15 1 2. So that's at 7. And then already 15 1 2. So that's at 6. 6 players for share.
No, but let them share this with them first. You're not going to listen? And that's how you want.
Guys.
I don't like this. And you want me?
Vanessa, I want chicken, fried chicken.
All of vloggies.
If you have fried chicken in there, you can get it.
So guys, whenever I hear something from a dinner, come and share. Then they start sharing my own care can give me. I'm gonna take up. Food must reach me. No?
You not drink soup?
Ask my mother. Ask my mother. Ask my mother.
You want to somebody else say they don't want too much?
Mommy know about me and soup already. But I don't drink soup. I drink it what we don't like, so I know what I'm gonna feel feet now, so I'm not gonna drink it. Just like how you eat cake when you feel feet, me drink soup when me feel feet. So guys, daddy carry the cake you're eating tomorrow, what pick your feet? I do it.
What you say, 9?
No, mommy not ready for fear one it, auntie not ready for fear one it, and daddy not ready for fear one it. So 6. You want fear? Alright, so that's 7. Daddy want fear? So that's like a 8.
And then how much pitney in it?
3 pitney. And the rest of them not come yet. Mommy, where you that count Chelsea now? Pitney or adult? She are 18. Adult, me count. That me wonder when them are going, how them are going to get tea, and how them are going to get tea. Make them not come for. Sorry guys, but I have issues. You want to party? I'll cut out, you know, Vanessa.
No, it's not. Actually, I had fun editing your part. But let's continue.
May I watch you now? Welcome to adult. What? You call us something? Welcome to adult. Pitney. Exactly. So me what?
Don't give them too much, you know, because then good at it and no one.
Oh. Me?
You want
Oh,
no?
you know want everything funny?
Yeah.
You don't want no everything.
I'm want fish too.
No.
So what? Every time you... Me want piece of your own. Where's I put it a little bit more still.
Can you get all powder something funny vegetable and see no one get vegetable?
That still look little bit.
Where was it? Because I don't think you like this and you can't plate for the film.
Hey, oh, hey.
Guys, video in another video.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the vlog. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you reached this far, please comment down below blueberry so we know who actually watched my video to the end. Yeah, and if this is your first time watching my channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notifications so whenever I release a new video you will be the first to know. And for all my old time comers, you know, welcome back. Like up the vibes, bless up, you understand, and I love you. Bye.